So higher ed is a career that has some collective bargaining, some unionized folks like us and the University of California systems, New York. But in other places where there isn't a faculty union, faculty really don't have an effective means to voice their concerns or to have their problems addressed. One of the great things about collective bargaining is that we have a means to ensure that everyone is treated fairly and compensated fairly, and that the benefits that we do for our good work are not contingent on whether or not we're good friends with the dean or we didn't say what we really thought about a really bad policy, and that job protection and the ability to do our work to the best that we can, that's what a union offers us.